here we have more problems, boys and girls, today of commutative property, which means that if the addends are the same, when we add, we can change the order that they're in and the answer stays the same. So let's start with the first one, 4 plus 3. You can use your number line to find the answer, or you can think near doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6, so one more is 7. So if this answer is 7, this answer is also 7. 2 plus 7, use your number line for that. Start on 7, count up 2 spaces. The answer is 9, so this is also 9. 5 plus 1, we know, just the next number, it's 6. So if I switch the 1 and the 5, the answer still stays the same. It's 6. 6 plus 3, we might need to use our number line for. If we start on 6 and we count up 3, it is 9. So 3 plus 6 is also 9. And the last one, 5 plus 4, think near doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8, so one more is 9. So if I just flip the addends, this one stays the same. It is also 9. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead and work on the back on your rocket math.